Act like you never kissed before. What's up? What's up?
Dimple, no dimple. Dimple, no dimple. Dimple, no dimple.
Wait, start over.
What's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what's up? My name is Jaclyn. This is my husband, Manny.
Hola. See what we got here.
No, I'm not ready yet. Let's just get started with this challenge. This is my husband does my makeup challenge.
I feel like this is where all our money went right here at this table.
Let the challenge begin.
And we'll do the first. No, first one of these.
So, go ahead. Open it.
Naked 2 Urban Decay. I feel like this brush doesn't go with this one. Let's see. This feels like chalk. They use this on this?
You can do whatever you want.
I feel like this is gonna create the layer. Like that. See? Yeah, get in the nose and the neck. See, that's the most important part. A lot of people forget about the neck.
Can't forget about the neck.
And redness in the cheeks. Right? Everybody likes redness in the cheeks. I don't even think it's been touched. We're definitely using this one. Does it matter what brush?
This is you?
Of course it doesn't matter. Let's see.
I feel like after all the time that I put makeup on, he really doesn't pay attention to anything that I do.
Okay, let's just see what this does.
Okay.
Ooh. Feel like it's got like a, I feel like it doesn't go on there. I feel like you need a lot of it to go on there.
Beat my cheek.
I've seen you do this before. Like when you get one of these dark colors and you call it like contouring or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then I feel like you use this thing and go like this.
Feels nice to have somebody else do that makeup.
There's like a formula.
A formula?
Yeah, for like what goes on first. See, I feel like you don't go rough enough with your face. I feel like you need to go like, to really get that in there. Let me see, turn face me. Let's do the eyebrows. This one's been used so much it doesn't even have the words on it anymore. That's how you know it's good. Oh.
Oh.
It smells like 4 years expired. Why do you still have this?
It's not 4 years expired.
Oh, put this on your face, not mine.
It's not expired at all.
Oh, see, I see what this does. It's kind of like gel for your eyebrows.
Oh.
Watch this. Watch this, you two. You are about to be schooled. Is this like, oh, this is so you get like fake brows, right?
Fake brows?
Yeah, like you fill in.
Ooh, somebody. Ooh, yeah.
Like it's blocky, cartoonish. It looks like it has a bunch of colors that are useful. Does it matter what brush I use? Like
all the brushes are over here.
Let's see. This one's got diamonds on it. Have to be delicate around the eyeballs. You only got 2.
You're going so fast.
Oh, because you gotta keep your head still and your eyes moving. It says eye pencil. Go underneath. See both sides, it'll look. Turn this over, let me see. But like, see, I've seen you do this one, see? I pay attention.
And now we interrupt your program for a very important message.
I just entered all of the names. I'm like so nervous right now. I'm so excited to see who's gonna win. I inputted all the names. I'm scrolling up right now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna click it to spin it. Okay, here we go. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Spinning, 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 clicking, clicking. Okay. Oh wait. Sorry. I have to add the names first. Wait, how do I do this? Apply wheel changes. Okay. I'm clicking. Here we go. I'm clicking, and Jaclyn Lee! You are the winner! Make sure you DM me for all of your details so I can ship that out to you ASAP. I will add this to my Instagram story so you guys all know who the winner is if you haven't already seen the YouTube video. So congratulations, and don't sweat if you didn't win. Thank you guys all for participating.
And now, back to your regular scheduled program.
This is what I would consider like the permanent marker of makeup. Yeah, I feel like makeup is
A lot harder than it looks.
a lot harder than it looks.
With anything. Whenever somebody's good at something, they make it look so easy. Because they're passionate about it. I'm ready to meet the princess. I'm ready to meet the royals. I'm ready to go to the wedding. All I'm missing is my heart.
Let me see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You did it wrong.
I did it wrong. Because this is what it looks like when you start. Turn this way. Why do they look like lipstick put in there or this?
Because it's liquid lipstick.
Ooh, this is a good one. I feel like I'm gonna step outside the box with this one. It's Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. And the color is Jawbreaker.
Give us a kiss. Welcome to my life.
Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good.
Grr.
Alright,
Are you done?
you have the powder.
I'm not gonna help you.
Look at me, 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 look at me. So like,
Face.
it's a simple yet elegant look. You got the sparkle in the eyelashes. You have the stands out on the lips, matches the eyes. You have the blending in of here.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Alright, I'm gonna look. Ready?
First impressions. First thing that stands out. Go. What's
Oh
wrong?
my god.
That's pretty good,
Look at
right?
my eyes.
What's wrong with your eyes?
Oh my god.
Alright, first impressions. What do you think?
Cause I'm a gypsy. Are you coming with me?
What do you think? What do you think?
I got some
Not
sad eyes.
Not that bad.
You with the
Let me hold it.
sad
Let me hold
eyes.
it. Look. Well, let's start off with what you like.
I love this lipstick.
I
love
my
this
choice
lipstick.
right here. Jeffree Star.
You know, I
Jawbreaker.
kind of do like the way you did this eyeliner.
See?
If only if it was in a different way.
What do you mean in a different way?
Like,
It's called black on blue is what I call it. And then look how they meet at the end, like.
yeah.
It's supposed to be liquidy.
Mhm.
Look, they match.
Yeah. To be on my face.
Oh.
To this disaster.
It's not a disaster. It's hot in here. I feel stressed.
Those eyelashes.
Like what?
My
if you-
eyes are like gluing, sticking
What if you do
together.
all that?
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you liked it. I'm about to go wash this off because I look like a crazy person. Next time we should do a challenge on you where I do makeup on you. I hope you guys were
Voila.
entertained
Voila.
by this, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.